You about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle lyrically splitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission of just hitting. Now it's written and kitten, hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word, damn you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Illy, and alleys are full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally. The fountain alleys, I'm rowdy, really. So here we go. Now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me. Fluff. Never Nixon with tricking brothers, bitching over fixins that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things and spitting and getting written on. You're like a flatter, bad flatter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started, so what, so long, see you fly by my dry. How else could I say it when you play a try? Boom, bye bye, bye bye. Here we go, now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me flow. Here we go, now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me flow. The flow, poetical, with skills only you better know with the way the flow is on point like Decimals, manhandling new fools, partying with the zoo crew, looking for the pink and poo-poos. I thought you knew too. Stone styles, the stamina, jamming, and while we're planning the jam, we bust with a party, amateur damages, managing, damaging Mike Smith, and even mannequins. You're a fan again, now I wanna know who's the man again. Naughty's back like vertebraes, word to hey I hope, the way I show you, pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie, so bang time to slang bang and watch all the Wu-Tang tang. Here we go, now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me flow. Here we go, now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me flow. Playing K, you break the body up, but beat the break into boogie. Firm and fully chase bass lines like bullies. All we wanna know is if your body wanna party. It's the Wu-Tang tang for everybody. So hip up and split up, get up, you get up, souped up, put your cheeks up, no gun set up, but sit up, flip up, watch us grip up, shake shows until they fizz up, like you're with us, and now zip up your lip up, whip up, hits with fans, some foul styles get in. Once we came back cause we heard hip hop needed another anthem, black like Noah, in fact they blow you, and we was back in the days with the gypsies, we'd have been known as the flows, driven these since the 70s, find me, so we went crazy in the 80s, so we won't kiss heinies in the 90s, oops the naughties, troops in sections of 40, so clap your hands and hold your shorty, I'm naughty. Here we go now.